Hello, grade 5 pupils. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nakita na naman tayo. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe nyo naman. Okay? And then like, share, hit the notification bell, and also comment for engagement naman. Okay, so on my last vlog, I had discussed to you the how to insert tables, okay, and other features, other tools, especially changing the table design, and how to format it, how to add, how to insert table, insert column, insert row, delete column. Okay, and also changing the color by using the fill option. Okay, in today's lesson is I will show you how to insert chart, how to use chart based on the purpose. Siyempre may purpose yan. So each chart, how we use chart based on the purpose. Ano yung purpose natin? Bakit natin gagamitin yan? So allow me to share my screen. Kita na ba ang aking screen? Okay, welcome to ICT 5, grade 5. Welcome to ICT 5. Okay, so our lesson today is working with chart. How to insert chart. Okay, so these are the learning targets that we need to accomplish. First is seeing the different chart types available in PowerPoint. Ano yung mga different chart types that we can use or available in PowerPoint? And insert charts in a PowerPoint slide. Okay. Ano nga ba ang slide? Ano nga ba ang chart? Rather, what is a chart? Charts are graphical presentations of data gathered. Okay, we use this chart to present the data that we have gathered. Maybe to compare to data, see the comparison and differences of the data that we have gathered, or to show the percentage or part of a whole. Okay, there are different types of charts that we will focus on. 3 types of charts. First is column chart. Ito po yung itsura ng column chart natin. Okay, so column chart displays the information using vertical bars. Going along the chart horizontally, we display the values that are found on the axis. This is the column chart. We have also the line chart. Line chart is very similar to a column chart. Instead of bars starting from 0, we use the values and connect the data points using a straight line. So it is often used to visualize data that change over time. Okay, for example, yung sa devices, yung mga sa gadgets, sa cellphone. For example, yung last year, cellphone, for example, yung Huawei. Yan, yung version ng Huawei phones. Yan, so pwede natin gamitin itong line chart to see the difference. Okay? Kung ilan yung bumibili nun. For example, magkakaibang gadgets. For example, Huawei, Oppo, iPhone. That year, makikita natin yung sales nila, ilan yung gumagamit, ilan yung bumili. Yan, pwede natin itong gamitin. Okay, we have also pie chart. So pag sinabi natin pie, circle to. Okay, round. So pie chart behaves differently from the line and column chart. It is a way of summarizing a set of data are values of a given variable. So the use of a pie chart gives a visual concept of wholeness. Part of a whole. For example, budgeting your money, your allowance, you can use that. Or budgeting the money for your for example, kung may small business ka, yung expenses mo, paano mo ginagamit yung pera mo, yung capital mo. Or yung simple yung allowance mo, paano mo siya ginagamit. Ano yung portion ang nakalaan doon sa savings, anong portion ng allowance mo yung nakalaan sa pagbili ng pagkain. Something like that. Okay, so how to insert chart? So to insert chart, we need to open a blank presentation. Open MS PowerPoint. Blank presentation. Then choose the title and content layout. Next, select the insert chart icon to display the chart types available. Then select OK to display the design view of the chosen chart. Okay, ito po yun. Once you click the insert tab, you can see the different charts. Okay, maraming klase ng charts. Ang nag-focus lang tayo is column, line, and pie chart. Pero marami kanyang pagpipilian dyan. Okay. After that, modify the contents of the data grid. We will modify the contents of the data grid found on the upper right-hand corner of the window as shown. Note, the worksheet is where we input our data for the chart. Okay, just like this. After you insert the chart, ito yung chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Ito po yon, para siyang MS Excel. So, dito nyo po ilalagay yung data. Once you encode all the data, necessary data, then mag-a-appear po yun sa inyong chart. Yan lang. Thank you, grade 5. So, this is your activity. Okay? We will just explore a certain chart. This is your activity 1. Create a column chart. Okay? So, this is the instruction. Number 1, Phil and Sophia like playing with the Rubik's Cube. Phil likes the 5 by 5 by 5 while Sophia likes the 3 by 3 by 3. Okay, second, the time of Phil and Sophia are listed below. Sophia, time 1 is 2.4 minutes. Time 2, 1.6. Time 3, 2 minutes. Kay Phil naman, time 1.7.8. Time 2, 10.3 minutes. Time 3, 8.4 minutes. So, put these values in a column chart in PowerPoint. So, para makita mo yung difference, sino ang mabilis na nakakasolve, okay, ng Rubik's Cube? Sino mas mabilis sa kanila? Ano bang mas mabilis? Yung Rubik's Cube na 5 by 5 by 5 or yung 3 by 3 by 3? Okay, so once you have done the first once you have accomplished the first activity, once you have completed, this is the second activity. So create a pie chart. So these are the instructions. First, ask your classmate what their favorite colors are. Then you may have data of the favorite colors of the class. Then create a slide that shows the favorite colors of your classmates. Then use a pie chart for this. Then change the color of the segment to the number of the students who chose that color. That's all. Okay, this is my reference. I will stop share. And I will share my screen. Okay, ito yung ginawa ko last time. Sa last vlog. Okay, ito yung ginawa ko. So dito, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo. Mag-a-add ulit ako ng new slide. Blank naman, pakita kung paano mag-insert ng table. Ito, nakalimutan ko to doon sa last vlog ko. Ito yung other way to insert table. Pag blank ha, pag blank slide. So, lagay nyo lang kung ilang column, ilang row, at mag-a-appear na po yan sa inyong ano. Then, change the design. Ayan. For example, itong design na napili ko. Ayan, makikita nyo yan. Then, you can resize it. Wait lang. You can resize your table. Ayan. You can resize it. Okay, now, let me insert another. Hindi pala. Click new slide sa home tab. I will click title and content. Since yan yung nasa sa naituro sa inyo. Turo ko sa inyo based on my discussion. So you will title my allowance for example, my grades na lang ulit. My grades. Okay, my grades. Palitan natin ng ng font style. Ayoko niyan, ito gusto ko. Itong font style. Algerian ulit. Then, font size. Then, pwede nating i-shape fill. Maglagay tayo ng kulay. Then, i-align lang natin yung yung ating itong migrate sa center. Click nyo lang to. Ayan. Tapos may makikita kayo dito sa na icon. Insert nyo lang yung insert chart. Pag nakita nyo yung icon na to, click lang to. Click the icon of insert chart. Just click this. And this will appear. There are different charts here. You have the column, line, pie, bar, area, X and Y scatter, stack, surface, radar, and combo. So I will just choose the column chart. I will use this. May 3D clustered column or yung normal lang, yung 2D shape lang. 2D shape lang yung piliin ko. Ito lang, ito na lang siguro. Wait lang. Ito na lang. Ito lang. Okay? Ayan. Once you click that, ito po yung makikita nyo. Okay? So, may tatlong category yan. So, ilagay natin dito. Category 1. Yung grades natin sa math, for example. Okay? Category 2, grades natin sa sa science, for example. Category 3, English. Category 4, TLE. 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 Tapos series. Series number 1, first quarter. First quarter grades. Tapos series number 2, second quarter. Second quarter grades. Second quarter grades. Tapos series 3 is third quarter grades. Lagyan natin yung grades natin sa math. 74 for example. 74. 73. Then magiging 75. Wow. Sa science is 80. For example, 80. Nagiging 85. 85. And then 95. Oh, bright naman. Very bright tayo sa science. And then English 100. 100 na ilagay natin dito. Tapos 85. Tapos 95. Sa TLE naman, 90, magiging 75, kasi hindi ka nagpasa, and then magiging 98. So once you have done encoding the data needed, then X nyo na to. Click X na lang. Ayan. Ito na po yan. Makikita nyo na dito. Ayan. So, yan, ito na yun. Yan na po yun, guys. Tapos, paano naman po kapag hindi nyo to gagamitin yung format na to? Punta lang kayo sa Home tab, click New Slide, then blank. Paano pag blank? So, punta kayo dito directly sa ribbon, click the Insert tab, click Table, then, hindi pala table, sorry. Click Chart. Ito. Okay, punta kayo sa Insert, tab, click Chart. Then, choose na dito kung anong chart yung gagamitin nyo. Dito naman pa ang papakita ko sa inyo. Click ito, pwedeng ito. May iba-ibang pie chart. Ito na lang gusto ko pakita. Ito na lang, itong normal lang. Okay. So, yan. So, makikita nyo ulit itong parang MS chart in Microsoft PowerPoint or itong parang MS Excel. So, dito ipapakita natin yung average naman ng grades nyo. First quarter. Okay? Grades. For example, grades. Average to average grades. For example, ang first quarter grades, ang average grade nyo is 89. Kulang na lang ng isa para maging honor kayo. Ito naman, naging honor kayo. Third quarter is 95 with high honor naman. Dito naman sa fourth quarter ay 100. Anak ng Diyos. Ayan, makikita nyo na. Okay, percentage ng grade nyo. From first quarter to fourth quarter. So, common to ginagamit sa mga allowances or pera, ganyan. Budgeting. How to budget the allowance or money. Doon siya mostly ginagamit. Pero ito naman ay sample lang naman to show you how it works. Yan. Ayan po, pagtapos na, close nyo na lang yan. And yan, ito makikita nyo. May sa chart design, may iba-ibang chart design dito, okay? Yan. May makikita kayong design. Ito. Siya, hindi siya magamit. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, ito lang yung option nyo. Okay? You can also change chart type. Ayan, dito nyo lang i-click. And also add chart element. Just explore this, itong chart design and also the format. Okay, just explore this. Yan po. Pwede din nyo din palitan yung kulay kung ayaw nyo yan. Kung nag-iinarte kayo, tsak lang. Pwede nyo palitan. Okay. Yan, optional naman yan. Okay, yun lang po. Stop sharing na tayo. So, I hope you learned something. How to insert. Simply insert chart. So, yun lang. Practicing nyo lang how to insert chart. Explore it. Explore the design tab. And also the format tab. Yan lang po. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Bye-bye po.